Let's learn interval notation and how to find domain and range from a graph. First of all, let's talk about interval. Interval is a set of real numbers that contains all real numbers lying between any two numbers of the set, sometimes numbered to plus and minus infinity, which means there are no bounds. We have set notation and interval notation. Set notation looks a bit complicated, but it means exactly the same thing as -3, 1. Example number 1. Write this in an interval notation. When we have a bracket, it means included. It means it's equal to that value. And when we have parentheses, it means not included. Not included means not equal to that value at that number line. So we have 2 included and 5 not included. And that's our answer. Example number 2. We have a solid dot like this. That means it's included. So that value is included. It equals to that value. It's a solid dot. It's part of the graph. So when we have a dot like this, it's not included. There's a hole. In this case, both of our values are included. So it's from -3 to 6. That's our answer. And we have example number 3. This one, we got 4 not included. Again, that means 4 is not equal to that x. And also it means 4 more than x. X is more than 4, not equal to 4. So we have an infinity here and negative infinity on this side. And of course 4 is going to infinity without bounds. So we're gonna put infinity here. And that's our answer. Remember, plus and minus infinity are never included. So we always put parentheses when it comes to plus and minus infinity. No bounds, not included. Always put parentheses. Example number 4. Now try this one on your own. Pause the video. I'm sure you can do this. Let's head to example number 5. Write the following as an interval notation and represent it on a number line. We have -51 not included because it's not equal to. And we have 33 included because we see that it's equal to x. Let's write this on an interval notation. Now we have on the number line, it's -51 not included and 33 included. And x is in between those two values. So we're gonna shade what's inside those two numbers. Okay, example number 6. We have a different case here. First of all, we have 6, which is not included. Not included because it's not a solid dot. There's a hole in the number line. And we have -2, which is included. We have negative infinity and positive infinity right there. Now let's think about this. We're going from negative infinity to 2 included. Negative infinity is less than -2. That's why I put it on the left side. And we use this symbol. This symbol is union symbol. It's like a longer U. It connects 2 intervals. Connects 2 intervals. And our second interval is from 6 not included to infinity. Not included. That's our answer. Example number 7. Find the domain and range from our graph. So we have our function here that looks like a weird parabola. Let me show you the y values with a different color. Okay, so our function starts, the y values of our function starts from here all the way to 8. How about x values, our domains? So domains start from here and ends here. Our function starts from here and ends here. Our domain is gonna be from -3, and it's included, all the way to 1, not included. Our range, let's look at the range. Does it start from here or from here? It might seem like it's gonna start from there because our function starts from there, but it's gonna start from here, which is 1. So it's gonna be 1 included, and all the way to 8, our function stops there. So it's 8 included. That's our range. Example number 8. We have y values start from here, and it keeps going and keeps increasing. So we put arrow there. Let's get a different color for x values. X values start from 4, and it keeps going all the way to -infinity. So let's talk about our domain first. Domain starts from -infinity, and it goes all the way to 4. And 4 is included. But -infinity, remember, it's not included. It's never included. Always put parentheses. Okay, our range starts from 0, as we can see there, and it keeps going, so it goes to infinity. 0 included, and infinity not included. Okay? Next example. Now try this one on your own. I'm sure you can do this. Okay. We have domain -infinity to +infinity. Because when we look at the x values, it keeps going to both sides, and it includes everything, every x on the number line, on a graph. A range, it starts from -2, or function starts from -2, included, and it keeps going, keeps increasing, so we put infinity. Example number 10. Try this one on your own. I'm sure you can do this. And that is it for today. And last week we learned operations on real numbers. And here are the answers to those problems. Thank you for watching A Math with Anu, and see you next week. Bye.